process and the implementation process.
Busia Governor Paul Otomba has urged ODM leader Raila Odinga to prioritize discussions on Kenya's political and economic stability as he plans his next move. Speaking during the State of the County address, Otomba emphasized the need for unity and economic revival, warning against rising political intolerance. He also called for an end to abductions and extrajudicial killings, saying such actions threaten national cohesion.
We must revive our economy so that we are able to do development and the issues we have talked about and address the economic issues and hardships that are facing our people. In the Republic of Kenya, economic, political preservation, then economic. That's what we told him when we met as leadership. So that there is inclusivity for everybody, but the country must be preserved. In Busia here, we have got two major dominant communities. And we have got Kenyans from all over going to allow this country to be balkanized into tribal communities. That you wear the chama yako ya kabila yako, then ukuje kwa meza. That will not happen. From my experience, I know it will not happen. They are national parties, and the Constitution expects national parties. They say you must have a national party, not a tribal party.
The government has banned all activities at Titanic Dam in Juja, Kiambu County following the drowning of